These are the foods for blood type AB to eat and avoid. Remember that eating according to your blood type helps you stay healthy. Now these are some of the foods in some categories. These are the vegetables for blood type AB to eat: broccoli, beet, cauliflower, celery, green leafy vegs, cucumber, eggplant, garlic. May take mushroom, parsley, parsnip, sweet potato, alfalfa, sprout, tempeh, tofu, all types of yams, and any other except those listed as not allowed or avoid. These are the vegetables to avoid: artichoke, avocado, black olive, all kind of bell pepper, radish, mung, bean sprout, radish sprout. Now these are the fruits to eat: all kinds of grapes and plums, cranberry, gooseberry, loganberry, cherry, pineapple, grapefruit, lemon, kiwi, and all kinds except those listed as not allowed or avoid. And these are the fruits to avoid: mango, guava, coconut, banana, orange. These are not all. There are more foods in categories for AB blood type and every blood type. To know all the foods to eat and avoid according to your blood type, click on the link on our bio and download your TIFF book now. Also get health products. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also donate to support Utter Health.